Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel, Ashish Webcast. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Ashish Pal. So, in today's video, we will be learning how to demote a domain controller in your existing environment. So, without any further delay, we will start this video. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, Ashish Webcast, and watch my other videos as well. So, let's start this video now. I have seen that normally what happens, we have a domain controller, we want to get rid of it. So I have seen many people what they are doing, they are just powering it off or removing it from their environment, which is not the correct way. So you have to properly demote a domain controller, or if you're not able to log into that server or domain controller, you need to do metadata cleanup. So there are only two ways to do that. Either you demote a domain controller gracefully, or you do a metadata cleanup. So today we will be learning how to demote a domain controller. So let's see our lab environment first. So in my lab, I have two domain controller, DC1, DC2 in my domain Ashish Webcast. So I'll be demoting today DC2. So let's see how to do that. Let's go to Server Manager. Now we need to click on Manage, remove roles and features. Now click on Next. So DC2 is automatically selected. Now we have to uncheck the roles. Let's uncheck this one, remove features. So it says first we need to, before removing the rules, we have to demote this server. So here you can see demote this domain controller. Let's click on that. Let's maximize this window. So here you can see that it has already selected this credentials because I am logged in with built-in administrator account of Ashish Webcast. So if you check this one, this means this is force removal. We don't have to check this and click on next. So it says there are other two roles, like this domain controller currently hosts the following roles: the DNS server and the global catalog. So the roles hosted by domain controller are required for ADDS. So if you demote this server, these two roles will also be removed. So let's click on proceed with removal. Let's click on next. We have to supply the new credentials. So these credentials will be required once we demote this domain controller. So what happens, I have seen two cases: either it remains in the domains or it goes to work group. So if it goes to work group, you need an admin credential to log in, as a DC doesn't have admin credentials, like local admin credentials. So these credentials will be required if the server goes to work group. Click on next and click on demote. So it had started the process. So it will take some time. Let's connect again once it is properly demoted. So we will log in on another DC1 and we will check if it has been demoted from the domain or not. So now the another domain controller which we have demoted, it has been restarted. And what I have done, I have connected to DC1, which is another domain controller in my environment, and I'll check if it is properly demoted or not. So this is DC1. Let's go to server manager. Let's open Active Directory users and computers. expand this. Let's go to Ashish webcast. Let's go to domain controller overview. So here you can see only earlier you have seen two domain controllers. Now it's only DC1. And if I see, let me check other. So yes, it has been like it is still part of domain. So it has been moved to computer SOU. So that proves that the domain controller has been successfully demoted. So that's all for this video. Let's connect on another video. Thank you and take care.